Hey guys, welcome to the 55th C# tutorial that I'm making for the new Boston. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the folder browser dialog. So all you're going to need for this tutorial is a button, and once you have that on your form, just go ahead and double click on it. So the first step in using a folder browser dialog is first creating an instance of the folder browser dialog class. So we're just going to type out here folder browser dialog, and you can call it anything you like. I'm just going to call it FBD for folder browser dialog, and then set it equal to a new folder browser dialog. So just like every other dialog, you're most of the time you're going to want to check to see if the user actually selects a path. So to do that, we're just going to create an if statement right here, and we're going to just say if the result of the show dialog is okay, then we'll continue on. And if it's okay, we're just going to have a message box show, just so I can show you what the folder browser dialog actually is. So once you have this code right here, just go ahead and debug. Click this button, we should get a folder browser dialog. Yep, and as you can see, the folder browser dialog basically just allows you to browse through folders. And just select a folder, like my documents right here, just click OK, and we get our test. But like if we exit out of it, no, we don't get that message box. So the most important property of the folder browser dialog is the selected path, and what that will do is it'll just return the path to the selected folder. So we're just going to do fbd dot selected path, and it just returns the selected path. So like if we were to select a desktop, it'll do like c/user/add-on/desktop. Just do select the desktop. Yep, the path to the desktop folder. We select my documents right here. Documents. Click OK. Yep, get the path to my documents. The next property that I'm going to be showing you is the root folder property. And what the root folder will do is it will select the root folder. So like when you open up the folder browser dialog, it will set the folder that will show up when you open it. So if we just set this equal to my documents, then as soon as we open the folder browser dialog, it will automatically be in my documents. Yep, it's already in my documents. And the final property that I'm going to be showing you is the description. And what this is it's just a little text blob, I guess, right on the folder browser dialog. And you can set this to anything that you would like, but usually you're probably going to want to set it equal to something that will help the user out. But for right now, I'm just going to say like Adam was here. So now when we debug, click this button, yep, Adam was there. You can just set that equal to like something to help the user out, tell them like what sort of folder you're looking for, or something like that. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial on the folder browser dialog. So see you guys.